Dear candidate, in this short video, I am going to show you how you need to use device 2, which is an Android mobile or an Android tablet. And as you all know, that device 2 is to be used for only two things. One, to increase the security. Device 2 will be used to have a view for the invigilator from the side and the back. So device 2's camera will be used for taking a video, and the video will be available to the invigilator, and in this video you will be seen from the side or the back. So that's what device 2 is for. Those of you who are going to take the CAT examination, device 2 will also be used for clicking photographs of the answer sheets or the drawings you have made on the blank A4 sheets and for uploading it to the examination. In this video, I am going to show you how to use device 2 to pair with device 1 and set it up so that the right view is available to the invigilator. So for this and for all the activities on device 2, you need the You Can Assess app. So as you can see, this is the You Can Assess app, which you will need to have on your device, and once this is installed, you will be allowed to launch it. So in case you don't have this application already installed, you can go to your Play Store, and you could install it from the Play Store. But right now I have it installed here, so I'm going to simply launch it. So when I launch it, it does some mandatory checks, and if it finds something odd, it tells you. For example, it tells you that your battery is only at 50%. Remember, your examinations are for long duration, so make sure that your device is fully charged up so that during the test you don't need to rely on any power backup, etc., unless absolutely critical. Also, all of the various permissions such as internet, Chrome browser, the camera checks, time zone, everything will be checked by the application on the first step itself. And in case anything is wrong, then it will prompt you to correct it and provide the permissions. When you install this app, it will ask for the permissions to the camera, ask you for the permissions to the microphone, and make sure that you allow for all those permissions. If you don't allow them, then the app will not allow you to move forward. So in case by mistake you have done something and you have blocked the access, then uninstall this app and install it again, and this time make sure that you are providing complete permissions for the camera, the microphone, the file system, so that the application can work as desired. Of course, if everything goes well, then it will allow you to proceed by pressing on next. Now this is the dashboard. As you can clearly see that it provides you three options. One is to take the exam, that is, if this was device 1, then that's the option to be chosen. But as you know that we are making this video for device 2. So device 2 is only to pair the device. So right now I'm going to choose pair device option. In case for the CAT exam you need to do the PDF upload, then you need to come to this dashboard and click on PDF upload when you want to do that. So first I will use this to pair with device 1. So I'm going to say pair device. Now it is saying that are you ready to start? Now it's going to lock this system. So when I do yes, then it says that screen is pinned. Do you want to do it? And I need to press on got it. The moment I do that, the screen is locked and it is prompting me to scan the QR code. This QR code is what is available on device 1. So once you have logged in, come to device 1, done your camera verification, then when it prompts you to do set second device, it will show you a special QR code, and that's the QR code which you need to use over here. So I'm going to press scan QR because on device 1 I have already come to that stage where it has asked me to set second device. So as you can see that I have scanned the QR code, and it is the proctoring has started. Of course, I need to now place this device so that the device provides the view as given in the student guide, something to the side and the back. And once I have placed this device, then I would have completed the activity of pairing, and on device 1 I will be able to proceed forward. In a subsequent video, I will show you what you need to do for using device 2 to upload the PDF. But for those of you who are giving just the GAT test or during the GAT test, this is the activity that you need to do. That is, log in, choose pair device, and once you have paired the device, it will ask you to scan the QR code, and the QR code is available on the screen of device 1. When you scan it, then your proctoring will start, and now you need to place device 2 suitably so that it is slightly to the side and slightly to the back as shown in the example photographs of the student guide.